I've got this feeling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning up around here. My house was in desperate need of a good cleaning, but I didn't have a lot of time, so I'm going to show you how I quickly cleaned the main parts of my home. I will also head on upstairs for the end of this video and do a really quick clean in the master bedroom and bathroom. I hope this video inspires you to get up and start cleaning, and let's get right into it.
Wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is clean up here in the kitchen, and I didn't have a ton to do. I had already had the dishwasher loaded up and ready to go, and I'm basically just putting everything away, and then I will be wiping off my countertops. Normally I take everything off of my countertops to clean them, but today I'm just doing a really quick clean in here. So after I am finished putting things away, I am just going to be wiping off my countertops with this multi-purpose cleaner by Mrs. Meyer's, and it is in the peony scent.
You know, when you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe.
So on this particular day, I was not feeling motivated to do any cleaning, and I am curious to know what you guys do to get motivated. I was extremely unmotivated, and I felt like once I put my headphones in and turned some really good upbeat music on, that's what got me motivated to get up and start cleaning. And I am so curious with what you guys do. So let me know down in the comments below what you do to get motivated, whether it's music or watching a cleaning video or whatever it may be. I am really curious to know.
Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
So as I was cleaning off the countertops in here, I noticed that my stainless steel looked horrible. I have not cleaned my stainless steel in probably weeks, and I thought since I was in here, I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly. And I am just using a cleaner by Wyman's, and it is a stainless steel cleaner. I'm going to be using this on my dishwasher, my oven, and my refrigerator, and I will also be using it on my trash can. This does have an overspray, and I have mentioned this in my videos before, so you have to be really careful and make sure that you lay a towel or something down on the floor because it does get very slippery. I have also been told that they do make wipes, and I do not like the texture of the wipes, and I feel like they leave more of a residue behind, and you have to just go back and buff that out. And I've just always liked using the spray, and then what I am using to wipe the spray off is just a cloth that I get from Walmart, and they are flour sackcloths. So I just cut them up in quarters and I use them for my cleaning rags, and they are definitely my favorite type of cleaning rag, and they are fairly inexpensive.
I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't, and I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. Baby, you're bad, baby, you're bad.
So before I head on into the family room, I will be wiping off my table, and for that I will be using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, and this is in an almond scent. Definitely one of my favorite wood cleaners.
Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad for business. Not good with consequence. I find myself back again, crying on your shoulder.
So now I'm going to head on into the family room and just kind of straighten up in here and put the blankets away, straighten up the pillows that are on the sofa. And in case you missed it, I recently did a mini makeover in here. I have 2 videos out right now. I recently redid the ottoman, and I did like a cozy family room makeover. I will go ahead and leave a card up here on the screen for you to click on if you would like to see those videos if you haven't already.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad.
So once my family room is all straightened up and neatly put together, I'm just going to head on into the formal dining room and the front living room, and I'm just going to straighten up in here as well. I have some boxes from Amazon orders that I need to put in the recycling bin, and then I'm just going to straighten up the pillows, and I did use my Swiffer duster to dust off the table in there, and then I will straighten up in the front entryway. Okay guys, so I've mentioned this over on my Instagram, and if you aren't following me over there, I highly encourage you to go follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to leave my handle down at the bottom of the screen, but I pretty much post every single day, and I share so much more than what you will see on my YouTube channel, and I am just so excited about fall. Fall is definitely my favorite season. I know it's still early, and I know it's summer, but now is the time that I start thinking of fall and how I will be decorating. So if you enjoy those types of videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you did. I don't want you to miss out on any of those videos that I have coming up because they will be starting in August, and I will be starting off with a shop with me and haul. I don't know where I'm going to shop yet. I'm pretty sure it will be Hobby Lobby and possibly Michael's and a few other stores, but I am super excited about all the decor, and my colors this season will definitely be the blues, the creams, and maybe a little bit of that rust color. I've been sharing a lot of ideas over on my Instagram, and yeah, I just wanted to let you know how excited I am, and I cannot wait to share those videos with you.
I hope I be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
Okay, so now that I have the entire downstairs fully vacuumed, I will be mopping, and I'm going to be using my O-Cedar mop and bucket, which I absolutely love. And the cleaner that I will be using today is a new one. I have never tried this before, and it is by Mean Green, and it is like a probably like a knockoff of a Pine Sol. And to be honest, I definitely like the Pine Sol better. This one seemed like it didn't clean as well, and it was more of a watered down version of Pine Sol, but it did do its job, and it did leave behind a really fresh scent. So overall, I was pretty happy, but I probably won't be purchasing this one again. I will definitely go for the Pine Sol next time, but this is an alternative if you want something different and you don't want to spend as much. I believe this one was a little less than Pine Sol.
Gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I be.
So when I was at HomeGoods the other day, I purchased this basket with the top, and at the time I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but as I was finished with cleaning up downstairs and I am looking at this big bowl of fruit. It was just bothering me, and I really like to hide everything. Like, I like to hide my bread in a bread box and so on. So I thought this would be perfect to have all of my fruit in and then just close the lid to where it looks neatly put away on the countertop. And I'm not sure how well this will work out, but for now, I absolutely love the way it looks.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other.
So now that everything is all nice and clean and put away downstairs, I'm going to head on upstairs to the master bedroom and bathroom, and I will be doing a really quick clean up there. I have some laundry that I need to put away and my bed to make, and then I will just be picking up. As you can see, it looks pretty messy right now. My room is pretty small, so the slightest bit of a mess can look really bad. I've got my bathing suit hanging over the bathtub from swimming and just stuff left out. So right now I'm just going to open up the blinds and let some light in, and then I will be folding up that huge pile of towels there, putting those away, and then I will be making my bed and doing a little bit of dusting in here.
All your love, give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Okay, you guys, so with all these things fall related going on in my mind right now, I was on Amazon and I did make a few purchases, and I will be doing a bedroom makeover in here. I'm going to make this bedroom look super cozy, and I will be adding some color. I am so curious to know if any of you can guess the color choice that I will be using. My bedding has pretty much always been white, and I did purchase a new duvet cover, so I will be adding a different color in here, but I will be keeping these white Euro pillows, but I cannot wait to share that with you. It's going to look super cozy and comfortable, and if you have any guesses on the color that I chose, I would love to see what you all think. So go ahead and leave down in the comment box what color you think that I chose. So now that I put everything away that was laying all over this dresser and nightstand, I am just going to quickly dust it off. And for that, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose cleaner, and this one is in the rose scent. I love, love, love this one. I cannot find this one anywhere anymore, and I believe that is because it is a spring scent. And right now Target has came out with all of the new fall scents, and for that I am super excited about. But the rose scented cleaner is definitely one of my favorites as well. I really love the floral scents. The Mum is also a really pretty scent that I love, and that is a fall scent. So I'm just going to be dusting off in here, and then I will be heading on into the bathroom, and then I will be using the same cleaner to wipe off the countertops in there.
That's blowing.
Okay, so now I'm just going to straighten up in here, put things away, and then I will be cleaning off the countertops. And I recently purchased this bubble bath, and I do not like to keep things in original containers. I just don't think they look as pretty. So I'm just going to be pouring this into a liquor decanter. I believe that's what this is. It is made of milk glass, and I love it. I think it's beautiful, and it just goes with everything in here.
In the end. To the water to wash away the pain. The devil's breath on my neck, but the touch from the wall.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it gave you some extreme cleaning motivation. I cannot wait to share my next few videos with you. I am so extremely excited about fall, and if you are not an early decorator, that's totally fine. I get it, but I am, and I know there are tons of you that are as well, and I am just over the moon excited to share those with you. So anyways, I hope that you guys all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!